Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Now, see, I love bowls like this. If you're going to make your own candle, you can just kind of fill it with your own wax, and it's just going to be such a cool idea. That's definitely something to consider. It's been a little bit since we've made a candle, you guys, but whoa, $3.99. That is so spicy. But the bowl is dang cute, and I love this kind of color. As a candle, that would just give us off that really, really beautiful kind of amber light. But I'm going to let her slide here because that's $3.99. A little too spicy for me. Okay, you guys, so what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a wagon. I was looking at this, you guys, like, what is this? But what it is a $3.99. Did somebody make this? It says 1846 to 1996 wagon. Very cute. Now, I don't know if you would want to do like a little kind of arrangement or something in that, but that's very interesting. Very interesting to me. Let's see what else we can find. Oh my gosh, you guys, check out this frame. Is that what this is? I have to assume it's, yep, because it's got a little slot at the top to slip a picture into. But do you guys see the beautiful kind of colors on here? It's like a lot of golds and yellows. That is just one of the cooler frames I've ever seen. Now, what are they trying to get for it? $2.99. Looks like it was originally from Target. We don't know how much it was, but very, very cute frame. Very cute frame. Let's see if we can find anything else. Now check this out, you guys. I don't know about you, but I love old cigar boxes. Let me see if I can get this one open. You guys know I'm doing it one-handed. Oh, okay, cool. I feel like there's so much that we can do with these. You guys looking in here? First off, the smell is delightful, but I think what we could do is, like, you know, put some sort of Mod Podge situation on the outside, maybe kind of change the look of it, or put something on the inside. Very good size box though, and they're looking to get $3.99 for that. For some reason, this one is catching my eye too, you guys, because look at that design, like the cutout. It's making me wonder if this is somebody's DIY, because I'm seeing a little bit of this here. Very, very cute though. That cutout's kind of got me in a chokehold, you guys. It's $2.99. I could see taking that off, painting the whole thing black, because you guys know what I like to do, and then putting a different piece of contact paper down on the inside for a really cool kind of DIY flip. Maybe we should consider that, you guys, because I really think this is a super, super cute tray that we could definitely take into the next level. Let's consider it. Okay. Well, what's happening here? Is this a stack of, oh, okay, I see it. It's a stack of candles. So $3.99. I like the shape of these candles. It's very interesting. One of them still has a little candle still left in it, but the shape of these is really, really beautiful. And I think $3.99 is a little bit spicy to me, but interesting. Guess what else I'm seeing, you guys? Somebody else's DIY. Somebody took it upon themselves to turn this mason jar into a watermelon, and it is 99 cents now. But I think that's a really cool idea. That would be something that could possibly inspire us for this summer. But cute. Whoever made this, cute idea. Okay, you guys. Now, what is going on here? I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. It's almost like one of those rocks that breaks open and you kind of see the different whatever. It's making me wonder if this is somebody's DIY. Like they broke it and then put the rocks in and then, you know what I'm saying? Kind of seems like it could be a DIY. I love the plant in there. And this one is $2.99. Now this looks like it's the same thing, but that it kind of lost its flower there. But they're still trying to get $2.99 for it. That's a little frisky because it doesn't have its plant in there anymore. Now what's going on here? Whatever it is, it's $2.99. Oh, okay. It's like a box. Let me see if I can get it open with my one hand here, you guys. Oh, that's a really cool box. Look at that. It almost has like, oh, something. Something fell out, you guys. It has like a cute little kind of almost leather E-type interior. Very cute box. $2.99 for that. Let's see what else we can find. Now my eye is caught by this color blue. Oh, those are dang cute. So it's kind of like these little tiny cups of some sort. I don't know if you guys can see that with these really cute feet. And they're trying to get $1.99 for that. And there's 2 of them. But the color blue is what's really kind of catching my eye. As you guys know, I've been way into that. So let's see if we can find anything else. Oh my goodness, you guys. You know how I feel about fake fruit? But this is faker than most. Are we looking at this lemon here? $1.99 seems very spicy for this little teeny tiny lemon. But there's that. There is this friggin' orange that they also want $1.99 for. And then there is this banana. And I think these are some sort of like ceramic or something, $1.99. Yeah, it's interesting though. There's some really strange business over here, you guys. Because tell me what's going on here with this. Oh my gosh. You know what just dawned on me? They have created a seashell situation. I shouldn't have even touched it. That looked like a bird. Do you see that? Tell me you guys see the bird and I'm not losing my mind. It's like one of those like parrots. But this is made entirely out of seashells. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And it appears to be $5.99 for this incredible creative. Did somebody make this? Because I see kind of the junction. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let me know if you saw the bird right away. So this beautiful tray is what we've chosen to use as our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So the very first thing I'm going to do is prep this for spray painting by going ahead and taking the rope that was on the handles off. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a coat of black paint. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of tumbling tower blocks and give them a coat of Waverly Antique Wax. Okay, so here's how our tray turned out after our spray paint. Now, one of the things that I did is I kind of went a little bit light in the center because I wanted it to look distressed without distressing it. And the next thing you'll see me do is grab one of these beautiful lemon transfers. I did get these from Amazon and I have used them before. I will link these in my Amazon storefront in the description box in case you want to pick them up. Beautiful transfers. But I'm going to go ahead and lay this down in the center of my tray. So here is where our tumbling tower blocks come in. I'm actually going to use them as a little something something on the handle. I really love that play of black and Waverly Antique Wax together, and I think this is going to make this tray pop. Beautiful. And this is another great lemon themed DIY for summer, or really for all year round. But I love this tray as just like a little addition to a vignette, or actually also for use. Beautiful. Let me know if you feel the same way.